This episode, man, it's all about living inside the wild. I'm talking about waking up with monkeys outside my door, baboons on the roof, a 5 a.m. safari where I saw all of the big five, breakfast out in the bush, lunch by the river with elephants walking past, and closing the night under the African sky with lightning lighting up the horizon. And yeah, it ends with us heading to the airport to fly to yet another country for another African adventure. Welcome to Kruger. So, we flew into Kruger International Airport. First off, this place does not feel like your regular airport. The whole building is covered with this massive thatched roof, so the second you step off the plane, you already feel like you're walking into safari life. They designed it just to get you in the Kruger vibe right away. From there, it was straight to Kruger Gate Hotel. And listen, when they say it's right at the park gate, they're not lying. You're in the middle of everything. Within the first hour, I'm dodging monkeys on the walkway and looking up to see baboons just chilling on the roof like they pay rent. Sometimes you literally have to wait for them to move before you can pass. This is their home and you're the guest. Fun fact. Baboons are smart, too smart. If you leave your door unlocked, a baboon will just stroll in. Like, yeah, I'm the captain now. Now, when you're not out on safari, this hotel's got plenty to keep you busy. A basketball court, tennis, mini golf, even a walkway that takes you down to the fence at the edge of the park. You can ball out on the court and then get a massage overlooking elephants grabbing an evening water break. There's a pool right on the river where you can spot wildlife while you swim. It is 5 a.m. Sunrise is here at 4:30. Getting ready to go on a safari.
I'm ready. Got my safari gear on. Check out my shoes. Let's do it.
Next morning, I'm up at 5 a.m. with the freshly boxed hotel breakfast, climbing into the Jeep. It's just us, our guide, and one other guy from Germany.
It was about 37 degrees, but nothing against here. Maybe we will not, I guess we will, but if you drive alone, for instance, you will have some problems to see cheetahs or lions.
Wow.
But all of the other...
Basically a private safari. We roll out as the sun comes up, and man, Kruger just wakes up around you.
Quite fast.
Yeah, she's like, let me take my baby and go. You people are bothering me.
That was because the other car also fell on the engine.
Oh.
So he's trying to pull the baby. So you'll find. And they don't have that experience that we're not strong.
Afraid of human beings.
Believe me, anything. Snake, machine, and then they are. Before, not the man's leaving. Okay, I'm not a man. It was part of this. All the predators,
You're waiting.
They're hunting baby impala this time of the year.
Yeah.
Oh.
Anything, mention the name.
Poor babies.
But they don't finish them because they deliver them.
At one point, I had to make a quick bush stop. Let me tell you, there's nothing like taking a gentleman's break right in the middle of Kruger to make you realize how exposed you are. We had literally just spotted lions and zebras just a few minutes prior. Every noise had me on high alert. I don't ever think I've been that nervous in my life.
You can go a little bit far. From there. Move to the grassy level.
Go to the grass, baby.
The grass?
Yes, Lovey. Nothing will come out, I promise. You run back in if it comes to get you. two.
Two?
Naughty one.
They're having
No, the naughty.
an afternoon delight.
Oh,
yes.
yeah, now I see. They are just fun.
It's just staring right at us.
Maybe protecting the other.
We're looking at. It was standing on the muddy patch, like drinking water.
Yeah.
I saw that now, like it was like last night, and it was a rhino bull. So that's the one.
Yeah.
So the three that they saw.
I see two.
Where?
It's one to the right of the one that you guys are looking at.
Okay, that means it's them. Now they walk across the road to the river.
Yeah, there's two.
Yeah. Oh, it's the second.
Now it's third, and it's a
Oh,
fourth.
there's a fourth. There's four.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's.
And get this, first day out, and I see all of the big five: lion, leopard, rhino, elephant, and buffalo. Seeing them in the wild hits different. No fences, no glass, just you, them, and a little bit of luck. We stopped for breakfast at a picnic site, just a little open air spot with a cafe. It's been a rest stop for decades. You're eating eggs and toast and a muffin, and there might be a monkey watching you from the next table just plotting on your food. Before we continue the trek on the safari, we are, what time is it? It is 10 a.m. We left at 5 a.m. We have a full day. I don't think we get back until maybe 3 p.m., 4 p.m. So we still have some things to check out. We saw rhino, giraffe, impala, tree squirrels, zebra, elephants, giraffe. Yeah, so, oh, lions, 2 lions, adult males. So, we're looking for some jaguars, and I'd like to see the lions again, so we'll see what we can see.
So they like normal pets.
Hmm.
They're afraid of the heat. Tired. Okay. If you look very tired. And it is nice because there's wind. The old male lion, the face gets lots of damage by a fight. There will be lots of cut in the nose, above the nose. So this one is still young.
Well, the color of the mane, you called it?
The hair.
The hair, yes.
It's genetic. The
Will
color
it stay
also,
that color?
the color also is genetic.
Yeah.
If it's a bigger man, if it's going to grow it big, it was 4 of them. Amongst the 4, there was one that was limping.
Oh no, what happened?
Being caught by buffaloes.
Wow.
Yeah, they were youngish. Yeah, before, last year, because I used to work in this area. So it was 4 of them.
These are the females, huh?
So that's the mother and the younger ones.
moving. He's on his way. He left. Wait, where is he going?
Nah, he's going across now.
He's going across.
Lunch was at Cattle Baron in Skukuza Camp, the main hub of Kruger. It's got a deck looking right over the Sabie River, and just beyond that is this old railway bridge that looks straight out of a movie. You're sitting there enjoying the views and chilling out, maxing all cool.
Like a stone buck,
Yeah,
slip springer.
yeah, exactly that.
Yes. But they don't fight the predators. They fight amongst themselves for the mating right.
Oh, okay. So they wouldn't charge at us.
They fight viciously up to where they kill each other.
Oh, wow.
Very good.
The young one, isn't it?
No, the full-grown male.
Hey.
This is the smallest antelope, smaller than any other antelope.
Yeah.
And they stay in the open. They stay in the open areas than like riverine or bushy area. They need open grass. That's what we find. Below them on the fork of the branch, there's beautiful flowers sitting there. Orchid. You know, orchid?
My favorite flower.
Yes. What? How do you pronounce it?
Orchid.
Orchid. African folk pigeon.
Yeah, nice.
Beautiful.
Absolutely.
When they hunt these brown birds like the guinea fowl and the... What color is the eye? It's eye. What is the eye? Around the eye.
It seems to be white.
White?
Not exactly.
Oh no, I can't tell the color, the eye. Yeah, I can't really tell.
And they see the legs. If you look at the legs, it's got no feathers on the
Correct.
No, yeah.
So the name of that eagle is called brown snake.
Brown snake.
Oh yeah. No.
Are they fighting now?
Yeah.
Like Dutch Afrikaans.
Yeah.
Simply means rock jumpers. Yes. Slip springer. Is it a good picture or not? Because the sun is...
It's dark.
I know. The sun is sticking on you.
Yeah, I can see it.
There's a window there. There's a window where the mother is supposed to. Can I manage to get the baby?
Yes.
See how they get food. She was about to cross the tar road and suddenly she smelled it. Now she's
That night was our last in Kruger. and we had dinner at the hotel's open air restaurant. The food was amazing, but what made it unreal was the lightning storm way off in the distance. Every few minutes, the whole sky would flash while we ate under the stars while enjoying the live Eswatini Swaziland performance. After dinner, I wandered down to the pool. No one around, just the glow of the water and the sound of the river in the dark. I set up my camera and got some beautiful nighttime shots. One of those peaceful travel moments that you just gotta let soak in. The next morning, it was time to check out. First, a quick flight back to Joburg, then a full-on airport sprint to make our connection.